Okay, here we go. We are tuning up the settings here. We got our volume and everything in there. Threshold set good on the volume pressure. It's a key component to this. AI, this is AI Trading Futures, and AI has set these settings up for me. AI is watching in the background the markets, watching the news. Basically, everything I could plug into it, it's watching. Twitter posts are formerly known as Twitter, called X now. And we have had no trades. We're just sitting on our hands on the Ninja Trader, looking for maybe a 5-minute range breakout here. Let's see. He's telling me. He's telling me. I'm not hoping for it, but let's just see what we can do here. Take a little bit of trade here.
Sell 12. Trade. Instrument. By 10.
Got a little bit imbalanced there. We're on the top of the 5 EMA. I was just going to hope to take a little money out. There's a $2,500 trade right there. So we'll take it with slippage. It went all the way down by 1,000. So that last little second there at the market order got me. So we got one trade, $1,500 on the day. I will take it. Just following what the AI said there with the voiceover. Let's just wait. We're not really going anywhere right now. Didn't take that VWAP break because it was in that first 30-second candlestick, and so was a little nerve-wracking. So I just waited to get a couple minutes in there. So I went ahead and waited for the 5 minutes, and after the 5 minutes, I went ahead and took one of its signals. It was just a very small pullback scalp into the 5 EMA. Normally won't take those if I don't have a lot of volume, but I did have an imbalance there of over 2 million. And so I took advantage of that imbalance for a quick $1,500 trade. Kind of a weird day. It's October 1, the government shut down yesterday. There you go right there. First trade of the day, 30 contracts, $1,500 in that trade for 24 seconds. So we'll just keep up with these trades today. If you look at the videos yesterday, had a great day. Lost about 4,000, but did 3,000, something like that in wins. So put 13,000 after commissions in the bank. Gotta love those kind of days, sitting at home in your shorts, no shoes on, right? Living the dream of address optional, live and work anywhere you want. This is AI Trading Futures. I'd really appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe, send your friends. All the setups here I'll be explaining through the videos today. And I got a sell signal, so I'm going to go ahead and take this sell signal. And we're going to try to get us another little trade here. All right, another $1,350. That's $3,000 on the day total. Show you the picture here. You can see the date stamps there from the Trade of 8 that's tracking it. There's the day. Not too shabby. I'll take it. $3,000 on the day. Let's see here. Let's just keep going and see if we can't get some more volume pressure. This is your book map, okay? And the settings and all come from Grok Scalps. I got some volume pressure. It's about the only thing you need from QuickBooks. I got QuickBooks, running in the background there, and I got it set up to give me this very high levels. He's telling me this. He wants me to go short. I'm going to wait a second because I still like to use my human aspects. And let me show you what we got. We got the linear regression channel. That's also what Grok of the AI has determined is one of the most used. And then we got the opening range, which will stop at the 15-minute. Right now, it's set to the 5. When it gets to 15, it'll stay locked all day. We got the VWAP. Then we got 3 moving averages, a 5, a 10, and a 20. Looks like right now where the 20's been holding up as a nice place for your stops. And we'll see what happens here as we take more trades. Yeah, so let's just see here. We got positive on your histogram down at the bottom. We got the RSI, which is the white line overlaying it. And the way I got to this, and I'll go through this on every video. This is everybody that I respect that live trades on the internet. And I mean, I've watched a lot of people, dozens and dozens, and you can figure out who the posers are and who are the real traders. of the ones I determined were real traders, I downloaded their transcripts from the description of the YouTube videos, downloaded all their transcripts, so like 80 million characters once it's said and done that I analyzed, or that the AI analyzed. And then I asked the AI a series of prompts. One of the main prompts was, what is the most common indicators that they use? The VWAP is one of the most common indicators that they use. Exponential moving average is one of the second most common. And then, and what's the most common plays? These breakouts of the 15-minute range was one of the most common, most profitable and probable plays. And then flat top, flat bottom, which we're fixing to get right now. If we get this with any momentum, I'm going to take this flat bottom. I'm going to take the breakout of this lower end. There it is right there. So I'm taking it, and I'm going to see what we got here. All right. There's another 1,800 on the day, chat. And that was simply almost 2 million imbalance. AI told me that there's going to be a trade. I was calling it to you in real time. You just saw me do a flat bottom breakdown of these little wicks right here. So I can see that that's where we're going to have some sellers. That's where people are going to have their stops. People are trying to take profit from this run, and that's what that is. And so that might just be a stop run from people who caught this little nice move up this morning. And what we caught was just a very small wick. We're micro-scalping with AI trading futures. That's the channel, right? And look, we're putting in a little flag here. So basically, bull and bear flags and pennants, flat top, flat bottom breakouts, 15-minute breakouts, VWAP bounces and VWAP breakdowns is the moves. I'm getting another signal. I'm going to go ahead and take it here. And I got out there a little quick at 450. I want to just take another one. Here it goes. I'm getting the signal, so I'm just going to stay with it a second. We've lost the moving averages is what she's telling me over there. So the moving average play. Let's see if we get to the bottom of this channel. Only on a 30-second chart here, so we got to be real nimble. And trading cash, so I don't have necessarily drawdowns, but let's see if we can't get a little continuation here and breakdown of the MAs. And let's see if we get past the 10, I'll have to let this go, but I think we're going to be just fine. All the indicators is down. We lost the volume just a little bit, but that's okay. Usually it trickles down on low volume, right? And so we should be just fine. Let's go ahead and get this, let this flag here complete itself. So a little bit more selling, not by much right now. And so I'm a little nervous, not too bad. We'll just wait and see what happens. We're right there at the low of this little bars here. Let's just get a little pop down here. And then we will, all the pressure, she's still saying over there negative on a 5-minute. And we're only trading on 30 seconds. So she says still negative for 5 minutes. All right, there's another 1,050. So I'll take that out. So we are 3 trades, $4,950. Who got some slippage on that one? 3 trades, $4,950 on the day. Show that to you. There you go. 49.53 trades, 90 contracts, trading 30 each time. And so average winning trade 16.50, average trades 11 seconds, longest winning trade 24 seconds, max run up 46.04. And you see we took our first trade when we got that breakout of the 5-minute at 8:37, and we just took our last trade here at 8:41 that you just saw in real time. I think you've seen all of them in real time. And see the reason I get out, look at that. It did do a reversal. This would have been a great play to break of the EMAs at the top. She's giving me a buy signal, so I'm going to take it. And let's just see if we get a run back to the top of that 15-minute, 5-minute opening range. 15 minutes about to set. Underwater right now. I was a little late from those EMAs. The micro scalp would have been about right in there. Take it and take that initial pop, but I'm still getting a buy signal. So I'm going to stay here on this buy signal, see what happens, and see if we can't get another pop up here and get us out with a little bit of green. Following AI trading futures here. All right, this video's gotten a little long at 9 minutes. I'm going to be right back. So watch the next video, see how this trade comes out. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.